Oh, I'm sorry.
오케이.
하하. 왜요? 이게 뭐냐? 시간이 안 되고
Hello, this is the Organic Fruit Garden.
Okay.
As long as they're
I need to buy fruits.
customers, we don't mind working at night.
Really sleepy.
No.
But the farmer still persists in his work. Fruits are loaded onto the truck. And the farmer is still on the way to make deliveries. The morning has come.
Huh?
Do some exercises to stay awake.
I just want to stay awake.
Bye.
Broken bridge area.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, the farmer is really not awake anymore. Hang in there.
Oh no!
Hello. I need to build a bridge.
Okay. Building a bridge will surely need concrete. Can't do without a concrete mixer.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is the mixture of cement, sand, and water. These must be the two bridge pillars.
Hey, let go, let go.
Let's wait for the result together. Wow, a new bridge, sturdy. The farmer can now continue with his delivery journey.
Go, go, go. Hello. Bye. Thank you very much. Oh no! Okay, okay, let's go. Okay, okay, let's go. Hooray! Hooray!
A few minutes later.
헤이.
Wait. Okay. Hey, nhớ chị mấy tầm ấy nhé.
Okay, let's go.
The next day.
Okay, let's go. Check it.
What is Mario watching so intently? Is it mukbang? Looks delicious.
Hey.
Hulk is still diligently exercising.
I want to eat candy. Let's try making candy. How about orange flavored candy?
Are you going?
Okay, let's go.
Where is Mario?
I want to buy orange juice.
A fruit juice store? Oh, Mario is a bit
Do you want cherry and grape juice too?
confused. Delicious too. Cherry and grape sound delicious. Whoa!
Check it.
Mario has to be careful to bring back grape and cherry juice. Let's start the candy making process. Cherry juice is starting to heat up, but something seems wrong. Wonder if it will be successful.
Making candy is not just about boiling fruit juice.
What happened? Okay, let's go.
Does Hulk have any ideas to help Mario?
Aha!
I want to buy this candy making machine.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa!
Goodbye.
The candy making machine is loaded onto the truck. Now, let's see how the machine works. Colorful and beautiful candies. Oh, candy! There it is! It's time to enjoy them. With this machine, Mario can enjoy candy to his heart's content. Delicious, isn't it?
Okay. Okay, let's go. Wait.
Several months later. Wait.
Oh no.
Wait.
아, 오케이.